In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. By the end, you'll know how to open WhatsApp on the web, find the Meta AI chat, and use it for image generation, study help, and simple planning tasks. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and look for the official WhatsApp website in the results. Click through to the site and sign in to your account. On a computer, the easiest way is via WhatsApp Web, which connects your phone to your browser. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get your chats loaded. You don't need to enter any personal details here beyond what WhatsApp normally asks. Once your chats are visible, look to the left side of the screen. In the Tools and Chat List area, you should see the Meta AI icon. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to load, or make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. When you find the Meta AI icon, click it to open a new conversation. You'll be chatting with Meta's assistant just like any other contact, but with powerful AI features built in. One of the most exciting things you can do here is generate images. In the message box, type the command imagine, followed by a clear description. For example, imagine a clean professional profile photo of a young woman in natural lighting, soft background blur. The more specific you are about style, lighting, and mood, the better the results. Send the message and wait for Meta AI to generate the image. This can take a few moments, so be patient. If the first result isn't quite right, adjust your description and try again. Small tweaks often make a big difference. You can also use Meta AI for everyday questions and learning. For study help, try a prompt like, "Explain photosynthesis in simple English for grade 6. If the answer feels too advanced or too basic, ask it to simplify, add examples, or break the explanation into steps. Keep the conversation going until it clicks. Finally, Meta AI can help with planning and organization. Ask something like, "Help me write a class announcement about our upcoming quiz." Provide any details you want included, such as the date, topics, and guidelines. And Meta AI will draft a clear, friendly message you can copy and share. That's all you need to get started. Open WhatsApp Web. Find the Meta AI icon on the left, click it, and explore image creation, study support, and quick planning. Add inside your chats.